Oh, uh, okay. Today I want us to look at the box model in CSS. The box model, it's now becoming interesting. This one is a very new thing to most of the beginners, so you'll be very keen. Let us open our VS Code. Our VS Code, and open a new folder. Let us just create one for today, day 5. Tutorial 5. Select the folder so that you can open it. As usual, the first thing is creating our HTML file. The folder name is here, it's open, tutorial 5. So index.html. Let us open our snippet as usual, and let us call this one tutorial 5. Let us have some 2 paragraphs here. Paragraph 1, it can be anything there, and paragraph 2. If you don't know how to automatically copy paste, just retype paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. Let us give them classes. Let us call this box 1, and this box 2. Box 2. And run our live server so that we can visualize. Let us just open side by side. Aha. Now, for us to style, we need our CSS file, style.css, and link it to our HTML. Link for CSS. CSS. To confirm whether it's linked, let us try styling one of the elements there. Let us style box 1. It's a class, remember you start with the dot box 1. The class name is box 1. Let us try to increase font size to 30 pixels. Paragraph 1 is now having a bigger font than paragraph 2. Let us do the same with the box 2. Dot box 2, font size of let us maintain the same 30. Good. Now, today our lesson is not font. The lesson is on the box model. What's the box model? Now, every HTML element, for example, this p tag, this paragraph tag, is treated like a box. So this is a box. This is also a box. These two boxes are next to each other. They are next to each other. To see how far this paragraph reaches paragraph 1, let us just try to add some border of 2 pixels or 5 pixels solid red. We covered this last lesson. If you missed, kindly watch our previous videos. And let us give a border to our second one also of same 5 pixels. Solid green. Let us use another color, green. Very good. So you see, this one is the first HTML element. This is the second one. There is some space here. This space here, we call it margin. This space between this red border and this red border, it's called margin. Let us say we want to increase that margin in box 1 and say margin. And margin can either be top, bottom, right or left, or just margin. If you just say margin and say it is 5 pixels, it increases the margin in all the directions. Let us say a margin of 20. You see there is some space increasing this side, and this side. Let me just increase more, 40, so that we can see. There is some space. So it increases the space, the margin in all the 4 directions. But if you specify, let's say margin top or just left. So only left. Look at this margin here versus this margin here. This margin you are seeing here, every element has got a default margin. So this margin here is the whatever you have added. If we can even add to 60, you'll see it increases. Margin right. So we expect to increase this side alone and this one to remain constant. You see, it's increasing. Do the same for bottom. We expect to increase this part here. You see, top, margin. So margin is the space between the border of an element and the next element. Apart from margin, there is something called padding. Now, padding is the space between the content of the HTML element, in this case is paragraph 1, and the border, begin, and the border. So the space between this statement, paragraph 1, and this border here, this space, this small white space, this space is, we call it padding. Let us try to increase it and say it is now 10 pixels. You see it is now increasing, padding. Let us even give it 30. The spacing is now increasing. Remember, we are only increasing box 1. If you want box 2, you can also do the same. Padding, 30 pixels. You see it is also increasing the padding. So in the box model, there are 3 important things: a border, a margin, and a padding. A border is the outline where the element reaches. Margin, the space between the element and the surrounding elements. Padding is the space between the content of the element and the border. I hope that one is very clear. That's all for today. We meet next time, probably tomorrow. Remember to follow us. If you wish to join our WhatsApp channel, take our number on our bio and reach us on WhatsApp for the link. Thank you and have a good day.